The SunForce, Ring Solar, or Altair? Perhaps the EUTech or the SlenPet? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 solar floodlights available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best solar floodlights. The 5th product on this list is Altair Solar Security. Are you looking for an energy-saving and waterproof unit to light up your garden and yard? Then you're in for a treat with the Altair Solar Security floodlights. These solar security lights have a multi-joint rotatable design, 360-degree independently adjustable solar panel, and spotlights that can be rotated to any angle for your needs. This feature provides a wider and more flexible range of light, so you're sure that it will cover the entire property. Another reason to love this device is its motion sensor light has a built-in body motion sensor function and a low light sensor. It can detect distances up to 33 feet with a range of 120 degrees. Once it senses something, it will shine for 30 seconds and then turn off automatically afterward. Moreover, these solar security lights have an IP65 waterproof rating, so you can easily mount them on your walls with screws. They will withstand any weather condition, making them suitable for patios, lawns, or viewing decks. Another highlight is its built-in rechargeable battery, which ensures full charge at low light and can last up to 30 hours for night use or 6 hours at glare. Lastly, the adjustable motion sensor lights will turn on automatically at night and off at sunrise. Its pros are, its 360-degree rotatable design provides plenty of adjustment options. It features a sensitive light sensor that automatically turns on at night and turns off in the daytime, and it has an IP65 rated waterproof design that protects the lamp from rain, sleet, or snow. However, it is not very user-friendly at first. The Altair Solar Security is a dependable lighting system for your home designed to provide a large amount of artificial light to a large area. Up next in 4th place is the SlenPet Outdoor Solar. This outdoor solar light has 210 super bright LED beads producing a brightness output of 2500 lumens, so you're guaranteed that your entire property has enough light at night. Another highlight of these solar floodlights is that they are 2 to 3 times brighter than other solar outdoor lights. They have a sensitive wide-angle movement detector that can pick up movement up to 26 feet away and from 120 degrees in any direction. Plus, the lights automatically turn off if there is no movement for 20 seconds. What's more, these floodlights are very adjustable. You can turn the 3 light heads and solar panels in any direction, and its wide-angle lighting that goes up to 270 degrees can easily light up a larger area. Additionally, these floodlights have a very sturdy structure. They are made of high-quality materials that can stand up to the weather and water. This means that these lights can work in all kinds of adverse weather, like when it's hot, cold, rainy, or sunny. On top of that, these floodlights use lithium-ion batteries with a large capacity and can charge fully even when there isn't much light. On a full charge, they can light up for 10 hours straight. Its pros are, it has a sensitive wide-angle motion detector that can sense any movement up to 26 feet, it is made of high-quality weather-resistant materials, and it is equipped with a newly upgraded polysilicon solar panel that is more effective at converting sunlight into electricity. However, it will only stay on for a max of 20 seconds, which can be inconvenient. The SlenPet Outdoor Solar is a very popular option if you're looking for a set of solar floodlights that can cover large spaces, including backyards, garages, and corridors. Still haven't found a solar floodlight that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the EUTech Solar Outdoor. If you live in a rural setting and are in the market for solar-powered security lights, you can't go wrong with EUTech Solar Outdoor Floodlights. These are a versatile option for solar security lights. They come in a pack of 2 or 4, so you can choose based on your needs. It's incredibly simple to install these lights around your driveway and property. With their angular and Art Deco-inspired design, these lights will complement a wide range of home styles, from ultra-modern to older homes. These solar lights can light up any driveway when set to the highest brightness. It also has a motion sensor that detects everything from passing cars to moving vehicles. This solar floodlight has 3 optional modes to choose from. First, there's the security mode, where the motion sensor automatically turns the light on and off. The second one is the permanent on, which simply means that the light will stay on at the same brightness for the entire night. The last mode is called brightness control, in which the light stays on all night and turns brighter when it detects motion. You can choose whichever suits your preference. Lastly, like some others on this list, this solar floodlight is waterproof and has an IP65 rating. It is specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Its pros are, it's durable and suitable for long-term use. It provides far brighter lighting and a wider detection range than other similar lights on the market, and it features the upgraded motion sensor detector and greater PIR sensor that can detect people up to 26 feet. However, it's a little hard to adjust settings after installing. The EUTECH Solar Outdoor Floodlight is a super sensitive motion-activated floodlight with an angle design that works flawlessly if you want to use it for security. The second product on this list is the SunForce Triple Head. If there's one thing that you need to light any dark area and add extra security to your home using the power of the sun, it's the SunForce 120 LED Triple Head Solar Motion Light. This newly designed light has side lamp heads that can be adjusted for maximum lighting coverage. Moreover, it turns on automatically when motion is detected and is outfitted with 120 super bright white LEDs, ensuring consistent lighting power whenever and wherever you need it. You'll also love the adjustable side lamp heads, which can be moved upwards, downwards, and horizontally for optimal lighting coverage. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including entryways, garages, pathways, sheds, and even remote areas. This solar floodlight charges during the day, even when it's cloudy, and can still operate throughout the night. What's more, many users will appreciate the adjustable settings that this solar light provides. There's detection, distance, as well as light duration. Overall, these solar floodlights are an excellent investment for keeping all of your properties safe and secure. Its pros are, it's equipped with 120 super bright white LEDs, ensuring reliable lighting power wherever you need it. It has adjustable side lamp heads that move in different directions for maximum lighting coverage, and it's entirely weather resistant and can be mounted almost anywhere. However, at 1000 lumens, it's not as bright as the other products on this list. The SunForce Solar Triple Head Motion Activated Light is a well-made product and the ideal choice to illuminate entryways, garages, pathways, sheds, remote areas, and more. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top solar floodlights is the Ring Solar Floodlight. Picture this, it's 1 a.m. The dog needs to go out. You've heard an odd sound outside, or you're awake waiting for your spouse or child to arrive. In every one of those situations, just that little bit of extra light would help put us at ease. But don't worry, the Ring Solar Floodlight has got you covered. This solar floodlight has a smart way of connecting to your home security system. You can use the Ring Bridge to connect to a network and group your Ring Smart Lights together to turn lights on and off in specific areas of your home. It is also compatible with Ring doorbells and cameras. When one light detects motion, it can instruct the other lights in the group to turn on, as well as your Ring doorbells and cameras to begin recording. When motion is detected, this floodlight shines up to 1200 lumens of white light on large spaces and high traffic areas, making it ideal for driveways and backyards. You can then receive mobile notifications via the Ring app and take appropriate action. The most remarkable feature of this product is that it can be run and controlled via Alexa. Connect them to Alexa-enabled devices to activate lighting and change settings with the sound of your voice. Want to turn on and off the lights, adjust the brightness, or change the schedule? Simply ask Alexa. Overall, this solar floodlight system provides the most comprehensive range of options while being straightforward to use, making it perfect for any home. Its pros are, it's brighter and longer lasting than the conventional battery model. It integrates extremely well with Ring's cameras and other smart home devices. It's easy to install and set up, and it features motion-activated notifications, so you know what's happening even when you're not at home. However, it can be tricky to hide the solar panel cable as it's pretty large, considering the device's compact size. The Ring Solar Floodlight is a brilliant smart light that integrates seamlessly with other security systems, making it a perfect choice for any household. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.